Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will learn on how to make drill holes in your metallic container. So apparently I have this metallic container for the past 20 plus years. So this has been there for a very long time and I've been using it as a garbage bin for my garden refuse. However, I've decided to make this into a container filled with planters, of which I will show you later in another episode. However, in this episode we will just look at how to make drill holes in a metallic container. So you saw earlier that how to make drill holes in terracotta as well as ceramic. So this is just a follow-up video with respect to metals. So you will have your drilling machine case like this, and you will have to identify which drill bit is suitable for metal. So the one that you see here, there are three kinds of drill bits. So you will have to check your manual and see which drill bit is ideal for metal. So apparently the one that you see at the end towards the right hand side are the drill bits that you can use for metal. So I'm taking the highest number, that is 6, and I will be using it to make holes in this metallic container. So for people who are new to using a drilling machine, I will show you on how to really operate this so that it is convenient for you guys and you don't have to always go check for the manual. So first thing is you have to loosen this part so that you can insert the drill bit. So you can just loosen it like this. And then you insert it, and again you tighten it manually, and then you take the key for chuck and then you close it and tighten it so that the drill bit does not come off the drilling machine. So make sure that it is really tight and your drilling machine is ready to go. So folks, the thing that is dangling here is very important. You must remember to wear an eye gear because there might be flying metal pieces that could fall into your eyes, and it is very, very, very dangerous. I've known a lot of people who have lost eyesight because of such things. So please always take precautions. Have these eye gears for your safety. So after saying that, so once you fasten the eye gear, you can probably start with a 45-degree angle and then drill the hole. Just make a small indent, that is fine. Take your time, do not be very restless. So guys, unlike terracotta or ceramic, this hole was created just in like 1 minute or a few seconds maybe. So it's very simple. You do not really have to use water or anything of that sort, but this was already moistened because it was in the rain, so it was already wet. However, you do not really have to use the same technique of having this soaked in water and then doing the drilling. Another thing about this is that there might be some sparks here and there for some people, but fortunately or unfortunately I did not find that here because it is metal. There could be chances of sparks flying, so you just have to be a little careful about that. But otherwise it's fairly simple. In just a few seconds you were able to create a proper hole in the metallic container. So now we will be creating another hole just adjacent to it. So folks, there are two proper holes, and this is enough. If you want, you can introduce another third one, but I feel this is enough. Two drainage holes at the bottom is more than appropriate. So you just have to be a little careful if you have a container that is rusty. So please make sure that you handle it with gloves, because otherwise you might end up having tetanus if there are any wounds. So please be careful about these aspects when you are working with metal. But otherwise it is fairly simple. I have done this in a matter of few seconds, and so can you. So apparently I will show you by planting few flowering plants in this beautiful container. So this container can act as a hanging planter as well, because it already has a built-in handle, and this can be hung with the help of chains, and it can act as a beautiful hanging planter as well. So if you guys have such metal which is really old and you is a little not in form or shape, do not throw it away. Use it as a container. You can you don't really have to pay a lot of money and get a new container. You can just use it, and the metallic look gives the plants its own beauty. So I just wanted to convey that it's very simple to kind of salvage such materials rather than giving it off into or throwing it into the dump yard. Salvage it and reprocess it for your garden. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore, and if you have any queries regarding this, then write into me by writing in the comment section. Till then, keep subscribing, liking and sharing. Thank you, and see you once again.